This video tutorial is about how to enable dark mode in Excel. You will see how to switch to dark mode and use the ribbon, all the bars, headers, or even the whole worksheet in dark colors. Let's have a look then. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Dilawar. Here we make sure you are able to use Excel in easy and quick way. If you want to get the dark mode on Excel, first click on the File option, then click on the account. Here in the Office theme there are multiple shades. If you select gray color, the Excel interface will become gray. If you select black, it turned it into black. If you select colorful, it will add color to it. Changing the color of interface does not change the color of worksheet. It will involve more few clicks. Let's see how we can change the background. Click on the page layout, go to the background. Search for black color in the search and insert it. It changed to black. If you type anything here, you would not be able to see it. The text blend with the background. So we have to change the color of the font as well. Change the font color to white. If you want to make the background white again, go to page layout and delete the background. Now the setting is in its default condition. If you found this tutorial helpful, give a like and watch other tutorials by Tech with Dilawar. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Hit the subscribe button and join my online community. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a next video.